Okay, so we have number 11 to 15 here. So let us start. Number 11 question. We have, what is the smallest prime factor of 400? So this is 400. 2 going to 400 is 200, and so on and so forth. So you see that the smallest prime factor is 2. The answer is 2. So we don't need to consider other ones or continue with the division. So we have number 12. If 3 raised to the power of x is equal to 27, find x. This is indices. 3 raised to the power of x is equals to 27 in index form is 3 raised to the power of 3. Then the bases are the same. You equate the power. So our x is equal to 3. And that is the answer. We go to number 13. We have a quadratic has roots -2 and 6. Which equation matches this? So I didn't write the option, but let me show you how to solve. So you can use two methods. You can use what is called this x squared minus sum of roots x plus product of roots. This is the one that is very fast, is equal to 0. So x squared minus, you add these roots, -2 plus 6, put x there, plus product, you multiply, -2 times 6 is equals to 0. So x squared minus -2 plus 6 is 4. So we have 4, then we have x plus bracket -2 times 6 is -12 is equal to 0. Then let's open the brackets. X squared minus 4 times x is -4x. Plus times -12 is -12 equal to 0. And that is the answer. Or you can decide to use this formula, but it's going to take time, which is expansion. Or you can do x minus alpha bracket x minus beta is equal to 0. So x minus, our alpha here is -2, then bracket x minus our beta here is 6 equal to 0. X minus times minus is +2, bracket x minus 6 equal to 0. Then we will start expanding. X times this is x squared, x times this is -6x, x times, we are done with x. 2 times x is +2x, 2 times minus this is -12 equals to 0. Then we'll collect like terms. -6 plus 2x is -4x, -12 equal to 0. Still the same answer. So you can use any method you want. Let's go to the next one. So we go to number 14. We have factorize a square minus b square plus 12b minus 36. So this is kind of, how will I put it, mind-blowing. Why do I say that? Because we have a square. You may be tempted to come and do difference between two squares here, but look at this. We have b here. So this is showing you that there's a clue here. Let me extract this. Let me extract this one here. So we have something like, let's say, minus. Okay, let me start with this. This is the one we are going to start with, so that you understand what I'm trying to say. So there's a minus b here. So I have minus b squared plus 12b minus 36. So let me factor out the minus. This is b squared. Minus times this is minus 12b. Minus times minus is plus 36. So looking at this bracket, we have what is called, when you factorize, this is quadratic expression, you are going to get b minus 6 all square. How do I know that? This is called completing the square method. I pick this one, then I use 2 to divide this 12, which is minus 6 all square. Once you do this with your normal method, you still get b minus 6 all square. Then I'll bring this a. This is a square minus bracket b minus 6 all square. This is difference of two squares. When you have x squared minus y squared is equals to x minus y bracket x plus y. So that is what we are using. So in this scenario here, our x is equal to a, and our y is equal to bracket b minus 6. So let's use this formula. So going by this, we have bracket, our x is a here. So we have a minus our y is b minus, let me use a big bracket, b minus 6. You close it, then you close it with the big bracket. Then bracket open, our s is still a plus, then the small bracket, our y is b minus 6. Then you close it. Then going by this, we have a, let's use the minus to open. Minus times b is minus b. Minus times 6 is plus 6. Bracket a plus b minus 6. And that is the answer in its factorized form. So going to number 15. Number 15, let me clean here so that you can be able to see what we are doing. So we have number 15 here. Expand bracket x plus 2 all square minus bracket x minus 3 all square. Please, you have passed the level of doing x plus 2 bracket x plus 2. I'm not saying it's wrong, but the fastest way to do that is that pick the first term, square it, plus multiply these two terms. X times 2 is 2x. Then use 2 to multiply it. So x times 2 is 2x times 2, which is 4x. Then square this one, which is 2 square. This is for the first one. Minus, do the same thing here. Square the first term, x square. Then there's minus here. Put minus. X times 3 is 3x times 2, 6x. Then when you square this, plus minus 3 square. So let's go. We have x square plus 4x plus 2 square is 4 minus bracket x square minus 6x. Then 3 square minus 3 square is minus 3 times minus 3, which is plus 9. So let's open the bracket. We have x square plus 4x plus 4 minus x square. Minus times minus is plus 6x. Minus times plus 9 is minus 9. X square will cancel minus x square. So let's collect like terms. 4x plus 6x is 10x. 4 minus 9 is minus 5. So the answer is 10x minus 5. See you in the next video.